Nope, not in the mood.
Well, you know those IOUs you like to keep tabs of? Well, now be a good time to collect. Just saying.
Aurelio?
Oh, I'm sorry. It was just meant to be a temporary thing.
It's been 4 months.
Yeah. Well, he's fallen on hard times, babe. Hey, imagine if I dumped you without any explanation. Okay, don't imagine that then.
I want him out tomorrow.
Alright, just pretend you're asleep. I'll get rid of him. Oh, Trev. Hey, we fell asleep in front of the TV. Oh, what's up?
Sorry, I just couldn't sleep. I had a bad dream.
Oh, we're sorry to hear that. Why don't we talk about it at breakfast?
You can sleep, but I can't.
Thank you.
Maybe if I talked it through with you, I could get back to sleep.
Put some hair on your chest.
Oh.
Let me just say the sweetest thing.
Well, okay, what was the dream about?
It'll rot your stomach out.
Marsha and I were together.
Serious?
Okay, and then what happened?
We were happy. And then we weren't.
Oh, that's too bad.
And then she left me!
Alright, shush! You'll wake up my wife!
Okay, Trev. This is how it's gonna go down. You're gonna go back to your room, you're gonna cry your little eyes out until you fall asleep. And then tomorrow, when you wake up, you're gonna start a new life, okay? Now I'm gonna go get a snack, and you should be back in your bedroom before I get back.
That's not the way you taught us.
I told you it wasn't a good time for this.
Can't do remote.
Your wife is right.
Best hands in the business.
Maybe, God willing, I won't wake up again.
Let's grab a beer later. Catch up. I keep my insurance policies all safe.
Hey, I'm sorry.
It's good to know.
I told you how hard it would be to ask him to leave. He's a wreck.
I know.
Tell my wife.
And you're a really good friend for taking him in.
Tell her I love her. Tell yourself.
And maybe he can stay another couple of days. Boobies and ice cream. That should give him something good to dream about.